Greetings! In this video I'm going to tell you about one particular feature of C++, and this feature is virtual functions. So let's see what we got here. We have a base class, animal, and two derived classes, swan and frog. They all have functions that have same return value, name and signature. So it will be very convenient to store an array of pointers that points to object of the base class. But we will assign to those pointers addresses to derived classes and then call the function info in one loop. So here we've done it. So let's see what will happen if we run the code. As you can see, we got the message "this is an animal" 3 times. That is definitely not what we expected to see, because in the second pointer we store an address of swan object, and in the third pointer address of frog object. So here comes virtual functions. Let's add keyword virtual in function declaration in the base class and see what will happen now. Now we get the result that we've been expecting to see. So what the hell is going on? Is it kind of magic? No, it is virtual method table. When you add keyword virtual to declaration of a function info in the base class, you make all this function virtual, and each class will store an array of virtual methods, so-called virtual method table. Here, when we call a function info, a compiler doesn't know what object each pointer points to in compile time. So, compiler will make a decision about what function needs to be called at runtime. Another thing that I should mention is override and final specifiers. So override specifier ensures that the function is virtual and is overriding virtual function in the base class. So it's better to set this specifier here and here. And final specifier ensures that the function is virtual and specifies that it may not be overridden by derived classes. So if we write a final specifier here, we will get an errors can not override final function animal column info at line 7. Also, you can write final in class declaration, so it can be derives from. And we have errors here and there. Also, we can write both specifiers in the declaration of function, like this or like this. These specifiers were added to the language to make code more readable, because keyword virtual in the base class makes same functions virtual in derived classes, but in the code you can't see that, so it may confuse people who read your code. So that's all that I wanted to tell you today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.